want to show you.
3, 2, 1.
Looking to revolutionize your home workout routine? Meet the SQUATZ Pluto Home Smart Gym, the ultimate all-in-one digital gym machine designed to bring the gym experience to your living room. With 100 pounds of adjustable resistance and versatile workout modes, including standard and eccentric, this smart gym lets you target every muscle group with ease. Say goodbye to cluttered home gyms and complicated weight adjustments. The SQUATZ Pluto streamlines your workouts, allowing for seamless transitions between exercises. Compact and portable, it's perfect for small spaces and busy schedules. Plus, with the Fits by SQUATZ app, you can access a range of free workout programs and track your progress effortlessly. Get ready to take your fitness journey to the next level with the SQUATZ Pluto Home Smart Gym. Next, are you ready to elevate your computing experience to new heights? Introducing the ASUS Zenbook Pro Duo 15 OLED laptop, the epitome of performance, innovation, and style. Powered by an Intel Core i9-12900H processor and equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti GPU, this laptop delivers unparalleled speed and graphics performance, ensuring smooth multitasking and seamless gaming. The stunning 15.6-inch 4K OLED touchscreen display with a 0.2 ms response time and 515 nits HDR peak brightness provides an immersive visual experience like no other. With 32 GB of high-bandwidth LPDDR5 RAM and a spacious 2TB PCIe solid-state drive, you'll have ample space to store all your files and run multiple applications simultaneously without any lag. Plus, the innovative ScreenPad Plus adds a new dimension to multitasking, allowing you to effortlessly manage your workflow with its secondary touchscreen display. With features like Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and Windows 11 Pro operating system, the ASUS Zenbook Pro Duo 15 is the ultimate powerhouse for professionals, creatives, and gamers alike. Experience the future of computing with the ASUS Zenbook Pro Duo 15 OLED laptop. Next, introducing the Geyes Bluetooth folding keyboard, the ultimate solution for portable typing convenience. Whether you're working on your iPad, iPhone, Android device, or Windows tablet, this foldable wireless keyboard is designed to meet all your needs. With its sleek aluminum alloy housing and compact, pocket-sized design, it's perfect for everyday use, offering a seamless typing experience wherever you go. But that's not all. The Geyes folding keyboard is packed with smart features to enhance your productivity. With automatic on-off and sleep mode functions, it conserves battery life, ensuring you can work longer without interruption. Plus, its dual-channel connectivity allows you to connect with two devices simultaneously, making it easy to switch between your tablet and smartphone with just a single step. Forget about flimsy plastic keyboards. The Geyes Bluetooth folding keyboard boasts a durable aluminum alloy shell that not only looks stylish, but also provides sturdy support. Its built-in kickstand holders prop up your device at the perfect viewing angle, so you can type comfortably for hours on end. Looking for the perfect gift for a friend or loved one? Look no further than the Geyes Bluetooth folding keyboard. Whether they're a frequent traveler or just need a portable typing solution, this keyboard is sure to impress. So why wait? Upgrade your typing experience today with the Geyes Bluetooth folding keyboard. Next, introducing the ASUS Architect Lamp, the ultimate solution for your desk lighting needs. This minimalist-style lamp is designed to provide optimal illumination for your workspace, with its eye care technology ensuring flicker-free and glare-free light to cover your entire desk area. Featuring adjustable brightness and color temperature settings, this lamp allows you to customize your lighting experience according to your preference and task at hand. With 5 brightness levels and color temperature ranging from 3000K to 5500K, you can easily switch between reading, working, relaxing, or even using it as a nightlight. But that's not all. The ASUS Architect Lamp comes with built-in timer and memory functions, making it incredibly convenient to use. Set the timer for 10 or 40 minutes before bedtime, and the lamp will automatically turn off, saving you the hassle of getting out of bed. Plus, the lamp remembers your last settings, so you can pick up right where you left off the next time you turn it on. Equipped with a sturdy metal clamp and a flexible long swing swing arm, this lamp offers versatile positioning options to suit your needs. The extra-wide clamp with silicone pads ensures a secure grip on your desk, while the 6-axis design allows for easy adjustment of angles and positions. And with its energy-efficient LED technology, this lamp consumes 80% less energy than conventional bulbs and boasts a lifespan of up to 50,000 hours, saving you money on energy bills and the hassle of frequent bulb replacements. Next, introducing the EHO USB-C wall charger, the ultimate charging solution for all your devices. With a powerful PD 3.0 100W total output, fast charging is guaranteed, powering up your MacBook Pro 16 in just 1.9 hours. The GaN3 chip technology ensures efficiency and compactness, allowing you to charge 2 laptops and 2 smartphones, tablets simultaneously. Plus, advanced safety features provide peace of mind. Say goodbye to slow charging and hello to fast, efficient power delivery wherever you go. Next, introducing the GoveeLife Smart Space Heater, your key to ultimate comfort and convenience in any indoor space. With its sleek design and innovative features, this heater takes your heating experience to the next level. Equipped with a built-in sensor, the Smart Space Heater offers upgraded thermostat functionality. When linked with a GoveeLife thermohygrometer, sold separately, it accurately reflects ambient temperature without the need for manual adjustments, thanks to its auto-reflect feature. But that's just the beginning. Connect this heater to your home Wi-Fi network, 2.4 GHz only, and gain complete control from anywhere using the intuitive Smart app. Whether you're on your way home or lounging on the couch, you can preheat your space to perfection with just a few taps on your smartphone. Plus, with compatibility with Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT, you can adjust the temperature with simple voice commands. Don't be fooled by its compact size. This heater packs a punch. Powered by energy-efficient 1500W PTC ceramic heating technology, it quickly warms up spaces up to 200 square feet. With adjustable heating modes and a cool air fan, it's versatile enough to meet all your heating needs. Experience the future of heating with the GoveeLife Smart Space Heater. Upgrade your indoor comfort today. Next, introducing the Geyes City 40W Fast Charging Station, your solution to a clutter-free workspace. This desk mount power strip clamps securely onto your desk's edge, providing easy access to 4 PD USB-C ports, 2 USB-A ports, and 5 AC outlets. With a sleek black design and easy installation, it's the perfect addition to any office or home setup. Say goodbye to tangled cables and hello to organized efficiency with the Geyes City charging station. Next, introducing the VIPcase magnetic wireless charger, designed for iPhone 15 to 12 series and AirPods 3, 2 Pro. With 15W fast charging, built-in safety features, and a sleek, compact design, it's the ultimate charging solution. Simply align, charge, and enjoy the convenience of wireless power. Safety is paramount with the VIPcase magnetic wireless charger. The charger is backward compatible with 10W, 7.5W, and 5W power options, adapting to different device requirements. Get yours today for a seamless charging experience anytime, anywhere. I hope you enjoy the video. If you are interested in any product, like in comment and description, you can buy from there. Let's we meet in these videos on your screen. Stay safe.